everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'd like to share what I've been learning during the pandemic to distress, and it's actually sorry, doing a uh, making this water painting flowers. So what you will need is to do that flower. Basically, what I usually do is to two colors of paint, two colors of uh, green, one for the stem and one for maybe the additional grass that you want to put in your painting. And also you want to start off with small brushes. Well, actually, depending on what you want to paint, you can use big brushes, but I usually do small brushes because I am a beginner. And then a palette, of course, and then paper and pencil. So I usually start off by making sketch in a paper, just to give sense of what I want to paint, because I cannot draw. So I usually like having make this kind of sketch in papers. So yeah, let's start off with having this set up. So to do the painting, I usually start with the flowers. I'm sorry. So just like dip the your brush in your water, and then get the any paint that you like. I'm doing this violet and pinkish. I don't know what color is this. I'm so sorry, but yeah, with your blank paper, I would draw the flower first, and then from there just work all the way. And if you want to make it like darker here, you can move make the water actually like, sorry, goes and the bottom, at the bottom. I don't know if I give you like the right direction, sorry, the right instruction, but that's how I do it. I want like the shadow underneath here, and then and maybe you want to add some petals that has not blossomed yet. Just make something like round like this, and then yeah, you can start painting more petals. I'll come back after this. So I have painted some petals here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. And then after that, you're gonna need your darker green color. I'm using this color just to get your flower, this stem. It's not a stem. I don't know what part of flower is this. I'm so sorry. So yeah, just working all the way, doing all of the flowers. Okay, so I'm done with my flowers. Now you're gonna take the lighter green color. I'm calling this like a grass color, I guess, just to paint the stem from the flower. So from there, just take a very thin line. Oh no, that's okay if it's not perfect. Like very thin line. That's not thin, definitely not thin, but I'm trying to record. Okay, so just like very thin layer, and if you can also add leaves if you like. This is basically you're done. You just wait for the paint to dry, and yeah, that's all my tutorial. I think it's okay if it's not perfect. The most important thing in doing arts, I think, it's like having fun. So that's all what I can teach you today. It's not much, but I hope it can help you to have fun. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and have a good day, everybody.